Hey guys, this is part two of our keto chat. I think I just had chocolate on my arm. Signs that you've been in the chocolate, but this is the good stuff. This is the good stuff, the okay stuff. Yay. All right. Sometimes Facebook makes changes, and when it's going through changes, it gets kind of glitchy. And I've been noticing that. So tell me if this is working okay, and we can pick up where we left off. But basically, we were opening our keto crate today. And Matt, I'm going to give this a win. What do you think? Hey, Chrissy. You give it a 10? All right. This is so good. Like they gave us so much stuff, and this is what you get per month. This is just a random box. And so I am pretty happy with it. I'm going to continue on getting these boxes. Hey, Rita. Hey, Lisa. And Gayleen. Gayleen and her gummy worms. So yeah, I mean, what do you guys think? There was tons of stuff in here, right? I've never done a food subscription box anymore. Has anybody ever done that before? There's so many out there, and this is my first, go at seeing like what would be in one. And I gotta tell you, I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna like pack all this stuff back into my box that I got here, my keto crate, and put it back in the refrigerator and hide it from Matt. Hey, Marcy. Hey, Tracy. Sup, says Amy. Yes, it's good. Me too. Yeah, I'm happy with that, right? If they sent me stuff where I'd be like, yeah, this is not good, then I'd be not happy.
So anyways, just to get back to what I was talking about before about cholesterol, the function of cholesterol is actually not a bad thing. Your body produces it, and what it does is to cover over
try this tomorrow.
Cover over issues. Like if you have a small lesion in your blood system, it's like a Band-Aid.
Really?
And unfortunately, if you get too much, then of course you have the buildup and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But it's caused, the reason why you have the buildup is if you're eating carbs and you got a lot of sugar, and it causes inflammation, and that causes an overload of your cholesterol to build up in your system. But if you don't have the inflammation, you're not dealing with the sugars and things like that, it just slides right through you. So anyways.
Yeah, Chrissy says she does the Epsi makeup, me too, but never food. Me either. I got to tell you, the first time I ever ordered food off of Amazon, I found these dark chocolate, because you can have dark chocolate on keto, right? That's the kind of stuff that like you can satisfy your stuff. If I satisfy your sweet tooth. So
Tracy says,
sugar-free Jello.
How and where?
I know, right? Just look them up. Keto Crate. Seriously, they're the one and only. And I'm telling you, they're awesome.
I need that beef.
Yes. Susan says every cell needs cholesterol. Susan is a smart girl. I'm telling you, we've got smart people on here. Yes, absolutely. Yeah, it is a lot of stuff, right? So I'm excited. So yeah, just because, I talk about things that I believe in, and I'm just so happy that I started keto. And like I said, I don't care what you call it. It's just basically a low carb lifestyle, because I'm never going to be that person that wants to weigh out and all that sort of stuff. But the more you do it, it just, you like the jerky, it just gets easy, right? And you don't crave like the chocolate bars, or for me, I was a chipaholic, a self-confessed chipaholic.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. So yeah, I had chips the other night on my cheat day, and honestly, I ate it and I'm like, ugh, it just feels like, I don't know. I ate it because I think I wanted the crunch, and I thought I wanted it, and I ate it and I'm like, yeah, I don't even desire them like I used to, right? Yeah, yeah. So I used to get the, so I found there's a brand called Lily's dark chocolate. It's on Amazon, and they come in the little chocolate chip chocolate chips.
Perfect. Now.
Yeah. What's that?
Choco perfect.
I know, it's amazing, isn't it? Like I couldn't tell. So I do like whipped cream, and then I sprinkle over some chocolate chips. It's delicious. I also throw in some strawberries on there. So but anyway, follow us guys on YouTube, because if you haven't heard, we're doing keto on YouTube. Juanita says from all the way back home, Tammy, yes, I know. The chips. Well, Matt's got these now, these pork rinds, and apparently they're very, very good. And I tasted them too. I know, I taste them too. They're awesome, right? Yeah. Absolutely.
I'm very happy with this, actually.
So I think
just kind of beef alone.
Yeah.
Would be like $7 or $8 by itself.
Yeah, it's really good. It's all good stuff. Okay, yeah. I entirely say it's worth it. So we're gonna start our group and cut. So what I want to do is so everybody can help each other out. Think about like the Junk Monkey paint project sharing group. And if you're in the Junk Monkey Club, you know what I'm saying? If you're a Junk Monkey or upper, you'd like to share your stuff. And so I want to do the same thing, but start a keto group, and everybody can share like recipes and share wins and success and ask questions, and just kind of be like a friendly group of friends that just want to help each other out and just have a nice support system. A lot of you guys already know each other because you're junk monkeyers anyhow. You're used to chatting and hanging out and sharing your own paint projects. And so this is just another great way to connect, because if you want to be a part of that, I figure let's carve out a community for it, right?
Yeah,
if it doesn't
Susan,
exist, let's create it.
Susan and me are going to take an all-beach trip together because I want to.
Paula says
Stacey-
her husband's down 30 pounds. Holy moly.
Stacey, I'm going to teach you how to do the cheese variations on the cheese chips. So.
Look at this. Angela says she was inspired by me to start keto in September and she's dropped the pant size. Went out to eat. Oh, she went out to have some fried cheesecake, fell off the wagon, and haven't been back on since. You need a support group. Yes. And it's okay to cheat. That's okay. No big deal, right? But plan it out. Plan your cheat day. Give yourself something to look forward to, and then conquer it, and then do it, and then
Susan,
just hit reset,
Susan
right?
just won today.
What's she saying?
You need to call it Monkito.
Monkito. Oh, that's a good one, right? Yes. Made up of junk monkeys. I love it. Woohoo. Tracy says her daughter and I are ready to go. Oh, that's so terrific. Yay. I like that. That makes me happy.
Ray says, I don't know whether to kiss you or kick you with it.
Sausage dip and pork rind. That was so good. This week on my YouTube, I did this sausage dip. It was so yummy. Really good for something like, like a game day or for the holidays and stuff like that. So a lot of people think that like, if you do keto, it's like a diet. Like, are you like taking supplements? Are you doing these weird things? No, you just understand these foods are great. These foods are loaded with sugar, right? And to avoid in the process.
One thing I see that they're doing now, a lot of the restaurants are doing the collagen peptide mix.
Yes.
If you're eating meat like you're supposed to,
you'll get that.
You don't need it.
Yeah.
Trust me.
Yeah.
I know they're swearing by it, but to be honest with you, that's a ton of collagen.
Yeah. You know what I take every day? Where's my vitamins?
Yeah, vitamins.
I take my vitamins every single day. Pass them over to me real quick.
Also,
they're always here. Every day I take them, and they taste like gummy bears. So, Gayleen, I get 2 gummy bears a day. Okay, this is my ration. They're right over there somewhere. I think you took 2 of them.
Believe it or not,
sure they're right, like not straight down
right
there.
here,
Yeah. See, there's nothing's lost until your wife can't find it.
Actually, the women's are better than the men's. But
really?
Anyways,
Matt likes my gummy bears.
So
these like they are natural cherry, berry, and orange, and so I take these every single day. I take 2.
3 times.
She what? She made it 3 times. Oh, I love it. I love it. Buffalo chicken dip is allowed also. Tammy, you need to be in there, girl, because you're an expert on this. Get back on the keto. I've always taken my gummies. I'm holding these. I feel like I want to taste them.
So here's the little thing that I think these people are doing wrong to really trick people.
Okay.
And they're taking collagen peptides. Well, they're avoiding like vitamin C and stuff like that in fruit. Take your vitamin C supplements because collagen does not react in the body without vitamin C.
Huh.
So if you're vitamin C deficient, you're not getting the benefits of collagen. And not only that, there's 22 different types of collagen in your
Lord
body.
have mercy.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Yeah. So just take your vitamin and do keto. You'll be good to go.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's see here. Last time Ray says I added a little cheddar on top. Who knew about the pork rinds being low carb? Me either. I don't even understand.
Not a carb.
I don't even understand
There's
how.
not a carb in it.
There's not. Yeah. But this kind here that came into the keto crate this month, gotta tell you, these here, like
they have a carb.
Okay, I can honestly say after opening this keto crate, that already I thought my life was awesome. But having something like this could definitely help you get through life if you're somebody who's addicted to the sugar. You know what I mean?
Tracy,
because you've got options.
Tracy, you can have fruits, but there's certain kinds of fruits.
Yeah, like we do berries.
You got to have it
strawberries,
berries, peaches, dragon fruit, monk fruit.
Yep.
So
you basically
star fruit. I love star fruit.
Because remember, if you're aiming to for me, I do 20 to 30 net carbs a day. And so that's what I do. But just bear in mind that a Jolly Rancher, one time Kate asked me, do you want a Jolly Rancher? Now I look at the back. Jolly Ranchers like 14 grams of carbs. And to think that now I used to pop Jolly Ranchers like they were going out of style, or M&Ms. And now I understand that when you read the back, you understand now of like fruits are just, some of them have natural carbs and natural sugars, but you just get better at it.
Deb
but anyway.
got a candle today and she loves it.
Yay!
Me and Gayleen can have a gummy bear party because
there you go.
I am.
Tonight,
Sonia will tell you. When we first met, I was like
a gummy bear fiend.
I always had a bag.
Yes. Well, you have them in gummy bears, gummy worms, sour ones, anything, stretchy gummy candy. Right. Yes, absolutely.
Ray hasn't had a pork
around 35 years last week. Well, that was my first time.
Yeah, apples. I'd have to look at them, but I think apples are.
They have a lot of sugars in them.
Yeah, they have a lot of sugars.
Yep.
Yeah.
They do. You do. All right. So with that, that's pretty much what life is these days. So thank you, Keto Crate, for sending me this so that I could see what's inside the box, not wonder what you send out. And I'm loving it. And I am like highly approving of this.
To be honest with you, Michelle, I just Google how many carbs and whatever I'm looking for.
Yep. And then just think to yourself, you know, on average, how many you have per day, just like that. Okay. And so what else did I have to tell you guys? Okay. So
get over and see the cucumber salad recipe, the Thai cucumber salad recipe tonight.
It's uploading right now to YouTube. Yeah. So start tonight over there. Seriously, go back and watch all my vlogs.
Nobody else has done this recipe for, and it's a variation.
I think Matt needs his own cookbook. I keep telling him because he's like so good at this.
And nobody's done it before. They basically do meat and broccoli and cheese and things like that. I'm looking for different ways.
Yeah.
To get out of that rut. I love that stuff. I have to have that stuff. But if I have to eat it every day, I need options.
Yeah, absolutely. We do. So tomorrow is my virtual paint session. It's actually virtual for anybody who wants to join in virtually, but I do have a limited amount of seats that I'm going to go ahead and actually, when I get off of this video, I'm going to close it out. So if you want in, you got like all of like 10, 15 minutes when this video ends. So tomorrow night, I'll have a small group of people who are joining me in the studio as I paint live. Mr. Chris Moose. And if you want to join in virtually, grab your ticket, get my pattern, get all my supply list, and you can do it with me live tomorrow night. And the tutorial will probably be about an hour and a half to 2 hours long. So go grab that. Just go to junkmonkeypaint.com, click shop if you want to be a part of that tomorrow night. So do the subscription thing on YouTube so you can be a part of recipes.
This right here.
Yes.
This is a craving buster. If I did not have this and I did not have my zero carb energy drinks, I would probably die.
Mine's Diet Dr. Pepper.
Gatorade has some zero carb.
Yeah, there's zero Powerade now, zero Gatorade. There's lots of options. There's no reason why you can't do it.
The YouTube is just our Junk Monkey site.
Paint Company. Yep, Junk Monkey Paint Company. So if you go over there, you see I tried a new banner on it, and I put up a new banner on it, and it's called the Keto Lovin' Creative, because I love keto. I love creativity. I love creativity, like DIYs around the house, but I love teaming up with Matt for DIYs in the kitchen. Okay. And I'm going to start the group as soon as we get done here as well. And I'll put the link up, okay, so you guys can find it. So come back to the page.
And we'll talk about keto flu.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
We got so much. Starting, we'll cover that.
It's not a scary, weird, like hard thing to do.
No,
you guys can see awesome results. And what a great time to start too. All right. And so what else do I have to tell you? Yeah. By the way, over on YouTube, I'm doing 25 days of Vlogmas where I give away 25 things as well. So up tonight, there is I haven't even uploaded it yet, but I announced the winner of my snowman painting over there shortly. And also I'm giving a can of Monkey Shine away. So go over and watch tonight's vlog when it gets uploaded. Probably in within the hour, it will hit YouTube. So just go to Junk Monkey Paint Company on YouTube, youtube.com, search Junk Monkey Paint Company, and hit subscribe and hit the bell. So what happens is every time I upload our daily videos, our daily recipes and things like that, you'll get an alert so that way you can check it out, right?
Yeah. Hey, Tammy, I do diet sodas as well. I never liked diet sodas, but I've gotten into them.
Yes.
Diet sodas, we do dirty keto, and I've seen just as good results with diet sodas. And it also saved me in the cocktail department.
So Matt likes his cocktails.
Yeah. I got to have my cocktails.
Hey, Christine, how are you?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. So with that, this was a fun chat tonight. Thanks for hanging out with us and just kind of, chit-chatting and telling you what life is going on around the Junk Monkey these days. So I'm excited that Matt's joining me in the kitchen too. I've been telling him for a long time that he needs to cook for us, right? You guys know that. Keep telling you that Matt was a chef. That's what he was doing before he joined me here at the Junk Monkey. And you guys made the Junk Monkey what it is today. So now he still gets to cook, right? But he gets to cook for all of us and give us good ideas and stuff. So it's all going to be good. All right, let's give away some banana bucks before we go. All right. All right, did everybody share? Did everybody get a chance to share this video? Yay, let's see here.
And also stay tuned.
Yes.
This week, maybe tomorrow, when we swab each other live on air. We're doing the DNA tests.
Yes. We don't know where we're from. We're doing DNA.
Well, I know
it
where
was
I'm
the
from.
only thing we bought on Black Friday.
Yeah.
Matt's like, Ancestry, what's it called?
.com was over half off.
Half off. We wanted to do the Ancestry DNA. Anybody ever do that before?
Yeah.
Let us know.
See, I know.
So we're going to open the boxes
Yeah,
and see
my
what you got to
family
do.
side's all Swiss. My dad's side's Swiss. But I don't know back beyond my grandfather on my dad's side. I know my grandmother's father was Italian, but he was from the Italian-speaking side of Switzerland. So this ought to be fun. Prepare to be shocked.
If you call swabbing your gums with a Q-tip, I guess that's what's inside the box. I don't even know what's inside this box.
Prepare to be shocked and horrified.
Oh man, too much fun. So we're gonna see it. We're gonna try it. All right. So my winner today, her name is Stacy Mayfield. Stacy, Stacy Mayfield, Mayfield. Girl, I don't know where you're from, but if you're on here, you need to email me at jungmonkeypaint@gmail.com. So put winner in the subject line.
She has 5 siblings.
What? Okay. All right. That's a whole other conversation. Give me 1 second here. So Stacy, email me at jungmonkeypaint@gmail.com. And I'm still just thinking what he just said. Put winner in the subject line so I can write you back. And make sure you do it before midnight tonight, Eastern Standard Time. Otherwise, this offer turns into. All right.
She says
really?
Amy says you just spit in the tube.
I just what?
Spit in the tube. When I was
is that what I got to do?
When I was in the military, they swabbed me in many different areas.
Should I brush my teeth before? I mean, does it give me these instructions?
So, anyways, that's the thing.
Yes, I'm gonna vlog the swab.
The government has all of our.
Yay, Stacey, she's here. Nice. Too funny. Everybody's saying congratulations. That's so awesome. You guys are so terrific.
Yep.
Thanks for hanging out with us and doing life with us. I appreciate that. Linda, how are you, my friend, over in New Jersey? Michelle says congrats, and Lisa, yay. All right. So I'm going to pop off of here tonight. Get that vlog uploaded.
Don't brush your teeth.
Don't brush my teeth?
No.
Okay. So maybe we should do it before we even like have breakfast or anything, right? Everybody's confirming you spit in a tube. Okay. Real life, people. This is real life.
Yes.
All right, well, we're going to give it a shot. We are going to vlog it. So,
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, absolutely. All right.
Ancestry DNA might not want to open mine up.
All right. Oh, Mary Dunn already gives me a heads up. Nothing to eat or drink for 30 minutes before. Okay, let's just do that before we eat. Okay, first thing tomorrow morning. Yeah, I almost thought about doing it this morning after I had a big old spoonful of peanut butter. I'm like, I don't know what the lab would think about that, right? Yay. Oh, that's very nice. That's awesome, Claudia. Love to have you along. Listen, but even if you're doing keto or not, all the recipes that we're going to share are just good recipes.
Yeah,
if you want
recipes.
Just for anybody, right? That, there's no supplements or anything. It's just real food, real people eating real food.
We're going to do a couple
doing real life
every day. Over the next couple of days, we're doing Thai. And then we're going to do broth tomorrow, stock, bone broth.
Yes.
And I hate the term bone broth.
It's really popular right now.
Because all broth is
just bone broth.
Don't spend the extra.
You're making chicken tomorrow, aren't you?
Yeah, I need it for a couple recipes.
Oh, good deal. All right, good deal.
Yeah.
Yep. All right. Oh, it takes months to get the results back.
That's fine.
Matt said he's like, we should do this now because once Christmas comes, everybody's going to get these for Christmas, and we'll get our results in first. Like, what does our life become? What does our life become? I fix keto and serve it to my family. Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Well, I think you'll like this recipe because it's different. It's refreshing.
It is good. Yeah. Yep. I love it. I had cucumber today and I'm like, oh, I forgot. Yeah. Tell Matt. Yes, Matt. That annoys me too. It's a hipster term, bone broth. It's true. It's like all the rage, right?
Yeah. It's a total marketing for it.
It's broth.
And you pay an extra $1 for it too. And it's a bunch of crap.
Really?
Yeah.
Too funny.
It's caught.
And with that note, thanks for hanging out with us, guys. I'll see you on YouTube within the hour, and I'll see you back on again tomorrow for another chit chat. And then if you want to join the virtual paint class, it'll be tomorrow night. All you have to do is jump in, because what happens is you get put into a private Facebook group. And so I'm going to close it all off so I can get everybody all situated, know how many people's in the house and all that good stuff. All right. And there's probably going to be giveaways, and we're going to have fun because it's going to be a Christmas style paint tutorial. We're going to be live in my shop.
Extravaganza.
Yes. And Chris Moose will be the guest of honor.
My.
All right. See you guys. Talk to you again later. Bye.